This is fattoush. It's like a salad with bread, and it has sumac. Okay, we cut it beforehand, all the vegetables, but I cut little bit for me to cut. So I have the lettuce, romaine lettuce.
Tell us the names in here, but it's like, what do you call that?
Sema khas. Yeah. Oh, khas, yeah. It's romaine, khas. خس عربي ما هيك بنقول yeah, that's our خس. خس KHASS. Okay, I'll take the in half and adjust. Excuse me, I want to tell you something. For the green pepper, it's always very hard to digest. So we ended up going to orange, yellow, or red. I don't get green pepper in my house anymore. Flavely. Yeah. See, now my brain is speaking English, so it takes me a while to. F fly, put fly, 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 F, life, lay, LEH. Okay. I think I'm cutting them the same way they did. You could put as much or as little as you want. Okay. And these, that's the radishes. It tastes good with the radishes. I'm gonna do them all on like this. Wait. Wait, I not let it come to my mind. Jazar. No, fijil. Jazar. Fijil, F-E, J-A-L, fijil. L for Larry. No, jazar is carrots. Okay, that's all. I'm not gonna do this here. Yeah. Here. This here. Excuse me. Okay. We cut the tomatoes here. Tomatoes. The onions. See, small. Go ahead. Onions, basal. You should come to an Arabic lessons. Lebanese, yeah. There is here parsley and mint. Okay, that's all we have. All that, and before we're gonna add. Oh, let me add this. I'm gonna add the sumac. Yeah. It has a little bit of tart, it's a little bit of tartness in it. Here I have lemon juice and the garlic pounded with salt. Are you okay? Salt, pepper, and I still like to put a little bit of the allspice and the olive oil. Maybe I need a little bit more olive oil. I don't know. More oil? Maybe. Yes.
Over there.
There's so much sumac trees around like late summer and stuff. You can like pick the sumac off and make your own. Where is it? There's like specific trees you can find.
I can't hear you.
There's It's a stag-form sumac.
Not poison.
Oh,
That's just
absolutely.
poison.
Sumac, you have to know, we could see it, but you have to know there is some poisonous sumac. So you have to know which sumac you're
Yeah,
getting.
it's not the green one, it's the red. The ones that stand up.
Yeah, oh, I don't know which one is which. Someone dropped, I'll leave it here. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it. Oh, before, what we did, I don't like to put the bread in it because it gets soggy by the time you come to eat it. So we cut it into this size, with a knife or the kitchen scissors, and you put it in a tray, you add olive oil to it, sumac, mix them really well, put them flat, and put them in the oven, 350 degrees. It took like 10 minutes, I think, to brown this color. This is the Lebanese bread. So we're gonna mix them, and we're gonna be ready to eat soon. No, you know, it's a good thing to mix them with your hands, so wear your gloves and mix them, because no, I think it has good oil. I don't like to put too much oil, because so whenever I see it shiny a little bit, I won't put any more. So I put half a cup, I think, to this. It's a big amount. Can I have the... It's gonna be from now on.
What do you want, the bowl?
Yeah, no, this, yeah.
Do you want to
I think it needs a little bit more. No, I'll do it here.
do you want a spoon or something?
I think a little bit more salt. Taste it. Or lemon. Okay. See, I would have put salt. She says it's fine.
If you want to flip them.
Yeah.
Plate's still on.
Yeah. And give me an empty cup to throw away the extra liquid. Yeah, I have the liquid.
You want an empty cup for what?
To put
The juice in?
the juice in it.
Did you get an empty?
I think we have that. Okay. Okay, what I do with I'm gonna put the bread all around the side. You take as much as you want. Okay. This is fattoush. It's like a salad with bread, and it has sumac,